Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make this DIY remedy for dry and frizzy hair. If you are interested in this, then keep watching. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for clicking on this video. In this channel I make a lot of DIY videos that helps in growing out our natural hair long, thick and healthy. Please subscribe and do not forget to turn on your post notification. These are the ingredients I'll be using: 1 banana, I have peeled off the back, 1 cup of oats, honey, my DIY carrot oil, and my DIY avocado oil, coconut milk, okra, and avocado. I end up using just 1 piece of avocado because I feel after adding all the ingredients that I have here that it will be enough for my hair. Now I will boil the okra for 5 minutes and transfer it to this bowl and let it cool while I cook the oatmeal. Once I am done cooking the oats, I will let it cool or add some cold water to calm the heat before blending it. This contains shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter. I forgot to mention it earlier when introducing all the ingredients, so I'll be adding it to it. So here I will pour in together the okra and the oats into the blender and blend. Once I am done blending, I will use my strainer to strain out the residues. After that, I will pour in all the ingredients together and blend it. So my DIY hair mask is ready for use. I love the way it feels in my finger, so smooth and silky. I am having these feelings it will work well on my natural hair. I can't wait to use it. So now I will go ahead and apply it on my freshly washed hair. Honestly, I love this hair mask. It helps in detangling my hair so well and also define my curls. I'll be using this on my hair often, especially when my hair is in dry state. So if you always experience dry or frizzle hair, this is for you. Just try it and thank me later. after applying it, I cover my hair with a plastic cap. Once it's 30 minutes, you can wash it out, but for me it sits on my hair for more than 4 hours because I was busy with house chores. Okay, that will be all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also share it out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.